What the heck is the sales funnel? Why is everyone talking about it? Do you really need a sales funnel for your business? Hi, my name is Mohammed, and today in this video I'll help you understand the concepts of sales funnels, which is essential for your business. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'll give you some amazing bonuses that can literally transform your business. So without further delay, let's jump into the topic. Let's say 15 years ago, if someone would have asked you if they need a website for their business, you'll be like, are you crazy? You obviously need a website for you to exist in the business, right? It's the future. It's where everything is going. And that's what funnels are today. Funnels are the future. It's the evolution of the website. I'm an affiliate marketer and a consultant, and I don't have a website. And that's what all businesses need. They don't need a website. All they need is a sales funnel, because a traditional website is making businesses broke, and funnels is what makes them money. Let me give you a real life example why you don't need a website. Imagine you walking to a store and there are a bunch of salespeople standing in front of the store, and everyone is trying to sell you the different products with different offers at the same time. You get so frustrated, and the chances are you're not gonna buy anything because you're confused. And that's what happens on a traditional website. If you look at the traditional website, there are too many call to actions, too many offers, too many products. So before the customer actually pulls out their credit card and buys it, he's so confused and he leaves. That's why the conversion rate of a website is so low. And that is why you need a sales funnel. Now, don't get me wrong. This website strategy used to work 15-20 years ago because the average attention span of humans were 20 minutes. 10 years ago, it was 10 minutes. And guess how much it is right now? Only 7 seconds. So within 7 seconds, whoever is visiting your website, you have to tell them what product or service you're offering, or what's the price of it, and how it can transform their life. So now imagine why you need a website. I'll give you a real life example. Imagine you walking to a store, okay? And as soon as you enter the store, one salesperson is assigned specifically to you. And he asks you how he can help you. You tell, oh, I need a barbecue stand. Then he takes you to the aisle where they have best barbecue stands with the best prices, and he helps you choose the best one, right? So once you buy the barbecue stand, one would assume if someone is buying a barbecue stand, they would need charcoal with it, right? So he asks you if you need charcoal. You're like, hell yeah, I need charcoal. I just got the barbecue stand. So he takes you to the place where there are charcoals and he helps you buy the charcoal. Then he asks you if you need meat. Then sauces, maybe you need sauces, maybe you need chips and all those things, right? This is nothing but a sales funnel. It's a step-by-step buying journey of a customer. It's a journey of a customer. It converts sales, visitors into sales. It scales the businesses a lot. It helps you generate more sales in your business. In your life, you might have been into someone's sales funnel without even realizing it. You might have rented out a car, and once you visit there, they ask you if you want to upgrade the rental car for another $10. You're like, hell yeah, I need to do that. I don't care about $10. Then they ask you if you want to add insurance. You want to be protected, and then you ask them to add insurance. Then they ask you if you want to add another driver for another $5. You're like, hell, I'm going on a vacation and I don't want to be the only one driving around the whole time, right? I need my friends to be driving with me. So you add your friend in the agreement as well. Or you might be watching a YouTube video where an affiliate marketer like me is teaching you about sales funnel, and at the end of the video, he's asking you to buy a funnel builder tool from his affiliate link. By the way, ClickFunnels is the best funnel builder tool. And if you buy it from my affiliate link, you'll get some amazing bonuses. So coming back to the topic, you might be thinking, okay, these strategies are all good, but you know, my business is different. I get this all the time. You know, people tell me, oh, I get this, but my business is different. I cannot use this strategy in my business. I only have one product or one service or whatever. We have built sales funnel in the most competitive markets that you can imagine. Doesn't matter what your business into. You might be a chiropractor, dentist, plumber, electrician. You might be selling cars, real estate agent. Doesn't matter. You need a sales funnel. That's the future. That's where everything is going. And every niche has a different strategy to build a sales funnel. For lead magnet, to host webinars, to survey funnels, to quiz funnels, for a digital product, physical product, anything you can imagine. You have different strategies for every single funnel. So you don't have an excuse. That's why I highly encourage you to take the One Funnel Away Challenge, where you'll learn everything about sales funnel from day 1 to day 30. It's a 30-day training program, and from day 1 you'll get tasks to complete. So by the end of this training, you'll have something amazing that you'll be proud of. And if you buy the One Funnel Away Challenge from my affiliate link down below, you'll get some amazing bonuses. Because if someone is buying a One Funnel Away Challenge, right, one would assume they would need Facebook traffic on their website, right? So that's why I've decided to give you a course on Facebook ads. Then I'll give you a free ebook on copywriting, which will help you turn your words into sales. Infographic pack, which will catch the eyeballs of the customers. Then I'll give you a pre-built funnel and a free training workshop on affiliate marketing, where I'll reveal all the secrets where I'm making money. And if you think you have received value from this video, click like. So help me motivate more YouTube videos with more information and more value like this. I wish you good luck.